Hey everyone, I'm Danica, a home DIY expert, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace and install your weather stripping to avoid those nasty drafts. So let's get to it. So for this project, you're going to need your new weather stripping, measuring tape, pen or pencil, a hacksaw, and your drill. All right, and just like that, under 5 minutes with a super low cost, you have a home upgrade that's gonna save you so much money on heating. It is tension fit and it gives you the option to put the screw holes in if you want to. That's up to you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Comment below and let us know what other DIYs you would like to learn, and visit us at Fix.com for other helpful videos and much more. With Fix.com, you're handier than you think.